All right, guys, today we're going to do something we haven't done in a long time. Work on the 61, so let's get started here. All right, so if you look here, we got this little piece here that needs to be placed. I think this is the only spot that we need to replace, so we're just going to replace, get out of here. We're going to replace the whole floor, so I'm going to go start cutting everything, the whole floor out of here, and let's go see how that turns out. Okay, we got our ear protection in, we got our eye protection in. Let's go ahead and start cutting. Here we go.
But every cut wheel's bringing it back to life. Sparks in the air, grinder in hand, piece by piece, bring it back again. Some folks say it's too far gone, but they ain't the ones wrenching all night long. Progress over perfection, that's the way I roll. Rusty old Westie, but it's got a soul. One more bolt, one more well, bring that old bus back from hell. Gonna hear that engine. Cut the rod out, patch it strong. Every scar where it belongs.
Here's one piece. Man, this bus has a lot of rust. Whose idea was this to have me get this thing? Holy moly. Well, we're going to continue. I'm going to continue cutting across all the way over here. Go through here, and I'll slice in the center to get away from the pedals and pry that off. And wire brush all this stuff. Put some OSFO on it, and then treat it. Let's go. Okay, this is mostly cut off, so I think I'm going to jump on the other side. And let's see. Okay, looks like we got the frame of this stuck to All right, let me get on the other side. Bring these. Like that. Look at that, nickel. We're already getting money for the restoration here. A nickel there.
Rust in the floor, rust in the rail. 61 subhatch telling old tales so fun to tease. Sitting tight in the light, but every cut wheel's bringing it back to life. Sparks in the air, grinder in hand, piece by piece bring it back again. Some folks say it's too far gone, but they ain't the ones wrenching all night long. Progress over perfection, that's the way I roll. Rusty old Westie, but it's got a soul. One more bolt, one more well, bring that old bus back from hell. Gonna hear that engine when it finally turns.
Well, that goes most of the floor there. My old VW foot pedal rubber piece here disintegrated. So we got a lot of rust here. I'm gonna try to address some of this. Get out these little plug wells, sand these all down, or grind them down. I gotta address this. I gotta take this piece off. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can maybe pop these off the rivets or the spot welds. Try to grind all this stuff down. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and Osmo everything. But that's it. And then go ahead and put some paint on it. And kind of go from there. But there is a lot of rust on here. We'll be busy. All right, let's continue. All right, guys, so that's it for now. Gonna go ahead and grind everything down. I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove the shifter. The front bolt is basically rusted away. I'm gonna have to try to figure out something for the back one back here. That's where we're at right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of prepping this. All right, on this, I may have to just cut this whole piece out and kind of go from there. I think they sell just this piece for the frame for the shifter. So I'm going to look into that because this is toast. I mean, basically everything on the bus is toast, but we're trying to save it. So that's where we're at now. Like I said, I'm going to continue to kind of sand some of this stuff down, wire brush everything off, and OSPO it. And I'm going to rip this last piece off right here. Try to get that out, which that will be, take the cutoff wheel, take that off, and we should be good to go. So I continued a little on here on the shifter. I just cut the bolts out and pulled it out. The plate underneath is kind of dangling, and I'm going to try to take the bolts out of that because it rusted in there. So I'm going to try to do that. I'm probably just going to cut this out, weld another piece of metal in there with this pattern, cut a piece of this out, and just try to mock this whole thing up and do that myself. Same with here. Try to put this back in. Another piece of metal there too.
Do they sell that piece?
I thought they sold something like that. Maybe they do. I don't know. Yeah, I had pulled that. It was just a can opener. I just pulled the other parcel tray out and just pulled some stuff out here. There's a cigarette auxiliary, like a cigarette lighter here. And I don't know what this is. If this is a switch for what this is, wipers or not. Let me take that out. And here's the old parcel tray. Check this out. You never know when you're on the road, you might need a can opener. That's the old Dove Blue one. I'm gonna go clean this up and try to paint this a similar color to the Dove Blue and slide this in there too. I got this at the Silverado show in California. I think it was like 20 bucks. So not bad. It's the big lip parcel tray, just like the one that was in it. Can't beat that price. All right, so that's gonna do it for today. I'm a little tired now. Gonna go get dinner, but I'm gonna push the bus back in, and we'll continue on it probably next weekend.
Wow. You're working on the 61?
Well, I figure it's about time. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this shift rod out, but it's kind of corroded in place.
Don't say.
Two of the set screws, I got one out, but the other one broke off. Not a big deal. I'm just trying to get this out of the coupler, and it's like corroded in the coupler. So.
All right, so I get this little shifter plate here. I was trying to, so these bolts are actually rusted into the plate. So I'd soaked them, didn't do anything yet, but I'm trying to get this, maybe I could get the shift rod out and maybe slide this coupler out. I'm not sure if that would work or not. That's the plan. Now I can put this on a vise, but I took one of the screws out of the shift coupler, and it's still corroded in there, so I'm trying to work it, trying to keep twisting it to hold the coupler with the vice grip and hold the shift rod with the vice grip and just keep turning it. But it's in there pretty good. I keep soaking it, so just gonna keep soaking it, and I'm gonna mess with this, try to turn the screws on the shifter plate while I'm here. That's what we're gonna do right now. We'll work on the 61. We're getting back into it. We're going to start knocking it out. We're going to start doing it. Try to get something going on it every weekend in hopes. So that's where we're at now. Thanks, guys, for watching. Peace.